y'all, so today's video I will be doing a deep condition with me. I did mention that in one of my previous videos. Now the deep conditioner I will be using is from BodyWorks. This is the strengthening deep conditioner, and it do has jojoba and monoi. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'm just gonna be letting you guys know how this deep conditioner works in my hair. A little backstory on my hair: I do have low porosity hair. Now I did wash my hair last night. I did use the Curls ORS shampoo. This was another product that did came in my disastrous CurlBox unboxing. If you guys did not see that disaster of a video, I'm gonna link it up top and as well as down below in the description box. I do have my Curl Factory spray bottle that they sent me, as well as my Curl Factory detangling brush. And I also have some Evolve plastic caps. Y'all, these plastic caps are bomb for natural hair. They are big enough for your hair. Well, I'm the size of my hair, they are big enough, but they are not like your regular cheap plastic cap. This was another item that came in my curl box. I do be seeing these plastic caps in Marshalls, so next time I go to Marshalls, I'm gonna get at least 2 more because they're really inexpensive. But I am going to start off on the left side of my hair. And I'm just gonna make sure it's saturated with water. You can tell I have low porosity hair. Look how some of that water is just sitting on my strands. Like it's literally just sitting on my hair. I never try anything with like monoi. Hopefully I'm saying that right in it. But this is the consistency. It smells like flowers. You know when you go to purchase flowers? That's what this smell like. So hopefully that smell isn't too overpowering when I put it in my hair. Ooh, child, look at this. Y'all, this thing is thick. It ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna just put it in my, oh God, look at that, it's thick. I'm gonna just put it in my hands. Kind of like warm it up a little bit. And I'm gonna put it like this. It just smells like a whole, like flowers. The smell isn't too overbearing. Okay, so I cannot finger detangle my hair, which is kind of odd because normally any deep conditioner I use, it normally just melt the knots away instantly, and I'm able to like finger detangle. So I have to take my time because I am not trying to lose any hair. I do feel like it's penetrating my strands. Like it don't feel like it's just sitting on my hair like the Mielle Organics deep conditioner that I tried. I have to edit that video and I'll probably get that video out to you real soon. I normally make sure I get my ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this section. See, this section is already drying already. Now when y'all deep condition, how long do y'all deep condition for? Do y'all deep condition for 15 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, 2 hours? How long do y'all deep condition for? I feel like with me, it depends on like the conditioner, and it also depends on like what I'm doing. So if I'm like cleaning my house, sometimes I may get lost with the time. And next thing I know, I done had this deep conditioner in my hair for about an hour to 2 hours. I really like that it's like really, it's not sitting on my strands. Like it feels like it's moisturizing. So that is a plus for me. I'm liking how this has my hair feeling. See, I'm supposed to, with deep conditioners, I'm supposed to be able to do this with no problem, and I can't. So that's like the only downfall with this. It's not melting my knots away. See, I'm getting some tingles right here. It's not melting my knots away that I wish it would. See, if I don't take this time right here with this, I'm going to lose hair right there. And your girl ain't trying to lose no hair. So I don't think I'm going to do the praying hands method. Because I feel like it's just clumping my curls. And I don't want no breakage. See, I'm scared to even go in and try to detangle my hair. This really do smells different. Oh. See, I gotta be real careful, y'all. And I like to make sure I get a lot of conditioner in like my crown area. Because before I did used to suffer from like breakage in my crown area. So I always make sure that is coated well. I just wish I could detangle my hair the way I want to, but I can't. Because it's not melting the knots away. So this is pretty... Oh, y'all, I can't. Look, I got a strand that came out. I can't. Look at this. I don't know if I'm going to have to go in with another. I'll see how my hair is after I wash this or wash this out. But y'all, look at that. Doing what it's supposed to be doing. I'm going to go ahead and just do the back section right here. So this deep conditioner been sitting in my hair for more than 2 hours. I done clean, ate, watched the movie, watched 2 movies with the kids, did harmony hair, everything. I'm still not able to detangle it really. So I'm just gonna go ahead and all this felt clumped up. I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hair out, and let you guys know my final thoughts. And that's gonna be it. Y'all, before I get into my final thoughts, I do want to apologize for this clip shaking. I accidentally kicked the camera stand, and from the eye, it didn't appear that the stand was shaking. But now that I'm trying to edit, I do see this whole entire clip was shaking. So I do want to apologize because it's really giving motion sickness. I was really surprised how soft my hair felt. It was really, really soft. It didn't feel tangled. It didn't feel matted, which was a good thing because I was really struggling trying to detangle my hair while applying a deep conditioner. The smell did linger in my hair once I finished washing it out, but the smell was not overpowering. Another thing that I did notice was that my hair did feel moisturized, and I was able to detangle my hair a little bit while it was damp. But once it started drying, sis, the struggle was real. No cap. The struggle was real. My hair started to get tangled. It started to get matted. I couldn't detangle my hair with my hands, really. I was too scared to use a detangling brush, and I was even more scared to even try to blow my hair out. I had to really take my time to finger detangle my hair, and it got to the point where I was just getting so frustrated, and I was like, you know what, I just have to stop, take a break, because sis ain't trying to have no breakage. So it did take me about more than an hour. I would have to say it took me about at least an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, to properly get my hair detangled. If I had to rate this deep conditioner, I would give it a 3. I give it a 3 because it was so hard to detangle my hair and the knots was not melting at all. But overall, I do think the deep conditioner is okay. If I had to repurchase again, I will not repurchase it. So once I finish this deep conditioner, I will not repurchase this one again. I really do enjoy the smell. But guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys want to see more deep condition with me, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you guys won't never miss another video. But I'll talk to you guys later.